Hi everybody, it's Kathy here, and I'm here with a creative family layout for scrapbookfantasies.com.au, where I'm using the Boho Beauty collection, and this is available from their website, which I'll have in my description box down below. So for this one, I'm using these wonderful chipboard pieces that came with the kit that I've been given to work with, and I'm using it with this photo of my daughter. On this cut apart A4 page, I'm going to use the dream catcher at the top, the feathers and some of the flowers. I'm using Boho Beauty number 6. It is beautiful. The teal colour is perfect, and I'm also going to fussy cut all of the elements out of that panel on the back. I'm also using Boho Beauty number 2, and I'm using white cardstock for my framing. So I'm going to start by getting ready with my strips that I want to put together on this paper. So I'm cutting 1.5 inch strips out of this feather paper, the Boho Beauty number 2, and I'm going to need 4 of those for my layout. I'm trimming it down so that it is 1.5 by 11 3/4. And then I'm also doing it out of this one here, where I'm doing exactly the same, 1.5 inches by 11 3/4 inch. And that's that beautiful teal background that you can see there. I just love that rich colour. So on my white cardstock, I'm going to trim it. I'm going to gut out the centre because I don't need to use it. But what I do for it is I put in a backing sheet to give support. I'm going to distress all of these pieces for my layout because I'm going to layer them in the strips, and I want some detail in between. And I will apologise because my camera was faulty at the end. I think the battery actually ran out, and so when I get to the embellishing of this layout, I actually will only be able to talk you through it. I won't be able to show you how I did it because my camera just failed that part, so I do apologise. So what I'm doing here is I'm just layering up the base, as you can see, and I'm putting the strips next to each other by alternating the colours and the patterns, and I'm having the feathers fall down the layout. So I have got them at the 1.5, which allows me to put it right across the layout perfectly with that 1/4 inch framing on the side to match the top and the bottom. And as you can see, the colours just come together just beautifully in this paper range. Alicia Redshaw is the creator of the papers from Scrapbook Fantasies, and the quality is amazing, I must say, and you will not be disappointed. You can see all those other embellishments to the side that I have fussy cut from those panels, and I will be using those in this layout. I am using some Dina Wakley white gloss spray here to add some splatters, and also taking out these chippy headings, which I'm using from the kit that says Lifetime Moments, and I'm going to colour those with the spray as well because it is an acrylic, so it is like a glossy paint, and I'm just using the tip of my spray there to lightly go over the top of my chipboard to give it that white effect. And that's an easy way of colouring up your chipboard. Now, these chipboard words also are from Alicia's collection and are beautiful to add to her layouts, or the layouts that we are creating using her wonderful papers. Right, now that my layout is dry with my splatters, I'm able to start building my base with all the bits and pieces. And as I said, I fussy cut out all of those flowers and the leaves, and I fussy cut out that dream catcher, as you can see there. Now I do cut that circle in half so that I'm able to layer it on to this layout. And as I said, I really am sorry, my camera failed and I was not able to show you how I layered that all up. But I do have the dream catcher there to the side, and I have got where I cut it in half, and then I have 3 of the purple leaves on both sides to extend across. I have the feathers running down from the photo to add detail there. I did add in the leaves and I popped some of them on foam tape. I popped the flowers here in the middle, as you can see, and I inked the edges with some scorched timber. I went over the top of the chipboard white with some stickles to give it a bit of sparkle, and I added sequins. Now my photo is popped up on foam tape and that adds dimension to the layout, and the sequins here are in the pinks to pick up the colours from the dream catcher and the feathers. And that's how this layout has come together. It's very simple. Like I said, I am sorry that I was not able to show you how that layering of the elements there, but the close-ups show you how that happened. It is just putting them on top of each other, but making sure that both sides are balanced with the same elements, and that allows your eye to run across the horizontal centre, drawing it throughout that layout. The popping up on foam allows that depth and detail, which is always important in a layout. So the close-ups here show you it in full detail, in full colour. You can see the beauty there of each of those details. All of the details of Scrapbook Fantasies and the Facebook group, as well as the company, are all in my description down below. Please go along and have a look at these amazing papers. They are Australian made by an Australian owned company. Alicia does all the designing. Thanks for watching. Hopefully I did something for a thumbs up. Leave me a comment, I'll get back to you. Happy scrapping till next time, and here's my next recommendation for you.